What is up, Sideways fam? We're back again today with another video, and as you can see, we're in the vibe with my good buddy Anthony right here, and we're on a road trip right now. So we are headed to Virtual Works in Las Vegas, Nevada. If you know them or you don't know much about them, I'll give you a quick overview. They basically have a bunch of super crazy high-end GTRs, Supras, anything kind of JDM, and probably everything else too. But from my understanding, they had one of the fastest GTRs in Las Vegas, which is a pretty big deal. They host the Supras in Vegas event there for the last few years, or years back. For the dyno competitions, they're pretty much always held there for the dyno event for Supras in Vegas. I'm meeting the owner of 2JZ Motorsports from Utah. They're the company that I believe just built the We Ride Mark IV Supra Ridix Edition car that they're going to be raffling on their page. So Amanda and her boyfriend are some good friends of ours. We've hung out with them a few times in Vegas. Super cool people. I definitely recommend their channel, and their clothing is super sick. So if you haven't heard of them before, they're called We Ride. Go ahead and check them out on YouTube or their merch store. Also, I'm coming out here tonight. It's about 5 o'clock. We're just left Orange County, filled up on gas, and we're basically on our way. Luckily, the Vibe is very good on gas, so it was like 50 bucks to fill the tank, and we're gonna clock the mileage right now to see about how much we get. You know, it's a little 2ZZ engine, 5-speed, kind of like a Toyota Matrix in a Pontiac version of like a SUV, a little mini SUV kind of thing. If you don't know what that car is, I mean, it's a little shit box, but it's gonna get us where we need to go. Luckily, Anthony was nice enough to come with me on the drive, and so I could have carpool and make sure that I'm gonna be safe. But on the other end, regardless, we're getting a super killer deal today, guys. So I'll let you in on a little secret. I got a lot of cash with me. I'm not gonna quite give you any pricing for anything, but it is way below what it should be selling for. We're picking up two V160 transmissions. If you don't know what that is, the V160, V161 is the twin-turbo Supra 6-speed, super rare USDM transmissions that we're picking up today. I have two brand new in box from Toyota Australia 2JZ GTE Vvti heads I'm picking up. They're still below price of probably what you can get them for today. Still making a good chunk of money off of that and everything too. And we're also picking up a full T56 6-speed conversion for a Mark IV Supra with the older style sticky shifter. It also is coming with a OS Gicken twin plate clutch, and which is pretty much the best of the best that you could possibly get. So we got a lot of money going with us. We're going to be paying these guys cash. Obviously, they have a lot of rep for the other two shops they're coming from, so I do trust them. So we're going to make another 4-hour drive right now. We should be to Vegas in about 4 hours, so maybe 10, 11 o'clock, 9 o'clock ish we should be there, depending on traffic. If we do any pit stops, I don't know. We're going to load everything up, we're going to hang out for a few minutes, and we're going to drive back all in one night. So we're going to be pulling some crackhead shit today. Lots of Red Bulls, lots of candy, lots of dark pee. So we're about halfway point right now. We pretty much always stop here every time. And if you've not been here, from California halfway to Vegas, Eddie's World is the shiznit. They got gas if you need gas. This is pretty new. This wasn't here before. Up until last year it was here. Before they didn't have it. Looks like they even have a Tesla charging station that wasn't here before last year. And yeah, so we're gonna go inside right now, get some Red Bulls, some nitrous, some gummy bears, all the good stuff, you know? You know, we just vibing in the vibe. Vibing in the vibe. Sideways for life. Vibing in the vibe.
Why don't we drive one of those out there next
time? Vibing in the vibe. We're vibing in the vibe, Anthony, okay?
I want to vibe in a Rolls Royce.
Just vibe in the vibe. Ooh, this is a parking spot right here. Let's go. So, I just got here. This is where you walk in over here. And pretty much it's just candy everywhere. They have some places to get coffee, some toys for the kids, little trinkets and stuff. So I'll go ahead and walk you guys around while I get my favorite stuff. The search for the chocolate gummy bears is real, bro. I have no idea where they are, but I do not see them. I'm gonna be very sad if I can't find my chocolate gummy bears. Or we can get a whole bunch of black licorice.
I think it's worse.
You like black licorice?
No.
I love black licorice. I don't see them, guys. I'm starting to get sad. I got my pretzels, my licorice, whatever Anthony got that I didn't look at. And, yep. Good way to stay awake. Energy drinks and candy, right? So healthy.
These things are fucking sour.
That sounds disgusting.
They're sour.
Dinner of champions, guys. Look at this. I feel like a super fatty right now. I found my gummy bears. I'm so freaking happy right now. Who? You guys gonna leave me? Cares. So after driving on that godforsaken road for 4 hours, we are here just exit Tropicana Boulevard where Excalibur is, where we shoot, and typically all meet up for Supers in Vegas. So we're gonna go ahead and go drive down the strip since our buddy over here is lagging and said he isn't gonna be here for like another, I guess, 30 minutes or whatnot. So we're gonna go cruise on the strip real quick, see what's up on Las Vegas Boulevard, and then go ahead and head to Virtual Works to meet up with our friend. So we just got here to Virtual Works in Las Vegas. Got his personal Mark IV outside right now. They've been working on some skylines and stuff. It's about 12 o'clock midnight, and looks like everybody's still super hypey and crazy over here. The shop is beautiful. This is like a little night workshop. The whole shop around here is his too. We're about to see the parts right now and check it all out. So
I get your end, but that's what's happening to your rods. You know, it's like the fucking.
all right, guys, so we're all loaded up. We're leaving Virtual Works right now, and my buddy over here from TJ Motorsports just came down to help me out and get all this stuff done for me to make it all happen. So we got the T56 Tremec in here with the full Grannas racing kit. We have two V160s right here for both of my Mark IV Supras, and we went ahead and got two brand new OEM Toyota heads for 2JZ GTE Vvti. Let me go ahead and flip it around and show you what's going on right now, but it's all complete, good to go. So we're gonna go ahead, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna go ahead and get back on the road because we have to get to work tomorrow and everything too. So let's give you a quick overview of this. We're gonna get back in the car and hopefully we can get home without dying. Look at those brand new heads. They're even unopened, bro. Fucking dope as hell. So we're out here passing the big thermometer out here in Baker. It's 2:30 in the morning. Back on this godforsaken road, middle of nowhere, in backcountry. Just, you know, driving around like a fucking zombie. Eyeballs taped to my forehead, you know.
Speak for yourself, I'm fine.
Anthony's fine, I'm not. But loaded down in the back of the car. $10,000 transmissions everywhere, you know. Pretty cool. Well, that was pretty sketchy right now. We almost ran out of gas, so we're over here in Urmo. We just got off the freeway. It's about 3 in the morning. We're supposed to be getting back to OC about 5 o'clock a.m. and bag acquired. Shout out to definitely to 2JZ Motorsports for helping us out with all the stuff that we couldn't have got, you know, anywhere else. And shout out to Dana from you know, Virtual Works for letting us meet up at his shop and hang out and just kind of BS for a little bit. So I mean, super awesome stuff, guys. Super stoked on the come up. Now I got two V160s for both of my Mark IV Supras. For whenever I'm ready to go ahead and do the 6-speed swap over, you know, that would be super cool. Or maybe even just for some customers. The T56 6-speed kit from Grannas is super awesome to have too. Even the 2JZ GTE Vvti heads, OEM Toyota in box is pretty awesome just to have, even just on the rack. So definitely not looking to move any of this stuff. This is all kind of personal purchase. It was just kind of like a little road trip that was kind of unexpected and kind of crazy. So I feel like a freaking crackhead right now being awake, and basically it's Tuesday and I'm gonna have to go to work in like another 2-3 hours, probably not sleep. Hopped up on a lot of candy. So until next time, guys, I hope you guys watched and enjoyed the video, and until next time, guys, peace.